What's going on, YouTube? We are here back. Say hi, girls.
Hi. Hello.
We're here back at Boca Chica Beach. Today is beautiful, and we caught some live mullet today at the Boca del Rio. Check it out. I don't know if you can see them, but we got some live mullet. So we're gonna go ahead and try to land some reds out here today. So y'all stay tuned, see how that goes. Alright, so the girls don't really know what a bite feels like, so they lost their bait, excuse me. And we're gonna set them up again. Come on. You hold it here. When you feel it, look, put your finger on the little line. Not too tight, but just so you can feel. You're gonna feel it do this, okay? Allison, when you feel it go like this, that means that there's a fish on there, and you're gonna pull it back and you're gonna catch him, okay? How you girls doing? Any luck? No bites yet? Yep. All right, we're gonna try a new setup for them. Well, not a new setup, but some new bait. So we're trying shrimp for the girls, see what they can catch. All right, girls, who's going first? Come on, Lena. See what you land. When you feel it poking. Okay, so Tío Quique set up a rig for Elena. I have one for Allison. I had them sharing, but now they'll both fish at the same time. Let's see who catches one first. Nothing right now. You got a bite? Go, I think you got something, baby. Go, Allison, go. 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 Come on, baby, keep pulling. Yeah, I'm trying to see. It looked like she had something right now. Go, Allison. What do you got, baby? Let me see, baby. Show me. Allison, let me see your fish. What do we got? What is this, Allison? It's a whitey.
Whitey?
It's a whitey.
My second fish.
Your second fish ever? You gonna use it for bait? Nah. All right, so then we're gonna catch and release. Here, hold the fish.
I don't want to hold that.
Come on.
Fine. It's gonna slip out of my hand.
Yeah, that's why. Hold them by the head. By the head, top of the head. Right there. Now you're gonna go put them back in the water. It's called catch and release. And you put them. Okay. No, go grab them. Grab them by the head. The top of the head, baby. There you go. Now go throw them back in the water. Let them swim away. Good job, Allison. Huh? She's on? You got something, baby?
Yeah.
Reel it in, mama. Reel it in. Don't cry.
Jeez. Nice, good job, baby. What is that called? A whiting. Good job. Cast out bait when I came back. Allison had already caught another one. She's on her 4th fish right now, right, baby? Allison, the Whitey Slayer. Is this your 3rd or your 4th? Was this your... Go get some bait. Well guys, I just landed a 23-inch snook. Wasn't legal size, 24. It's 24 to 28. But I thought I recorded the whole fight and the release, and I don't think I recorded anything. But that's just what we just landed on this rod that was out here. The girls stopped fishing. Their arm got tired, but hopefully we can catch another one, a legal size one, and actually record this one. So stay tuned. Alright guys, well, the snook that I caught ended up being 23 inches, so it's not legal limit, but it was fun catching one. Now let's go ahead and release them. Whoa. There he goes. All right, now let's catch a legal sized one. Allison, hold this. Hold the GoPro.
It's recording. Is that 37%?
Trout. We got a trout. Allison, we got a trout. Let's go measure it. Come on, follow me. Hey, the second sandbar is working.
I got it. I'm holding it. It's bleeding.
And still fishing.
Let's see.
He is 16 and a half. 16 and a half. The legal limit is 15, so that means he's good to go. He's a keeper. So I've been catching it on my bigger rod, but I want to have a little bit more fun, so I'm gonna go ahead and put him on my smaller rod. I'm gonna go into the water, try to land me some. Hook from the tail, and let's go. I'm gonna take my net for when I land one, and let's see how this goes. Been hitting on live mullet past the second sandbar, so we're making our way towards the second sandbar. Well, between the first and the second sandbar, over there in the first, it was not hitting at all. It's probably too shallow, and it was well, the tide just came in as well, so that can make a big difference. So let's go ahead and try to land us something on the light action, make it a little bit more fun, because that's what we come out for. But yeah, let's see. A little sand trout. Wait, I think it's speckled. But that might be too small. That one's probably like 13. So this trout, it's a speckled trout. It's probably like 13 inches. It's too small. I don't know if y'all can see him. It's too small, but he swallowed the hook, so I'm gonna take him to shore. Use my pliers to go ahead and detach the hook and then release him back. Give me a hand, Allison. Give me a hand. Can you grab my reel?
How did you take
Or the rod? Whatever it's called. So let's check. I'm pretty sure this one's too small. Yeah. I mean, he could pass. Maybe that's 15, but I'm better than that. No. He's a little bit shy of 15. But either way. Yeah, I got another one. But it's 14 and a half. I think they gotta be 15 though. Okay. Go. Let's go ahead and release him back into the wild. She's gone.